I'm Tim from Australia, Melbourne, coming over to help with the Wi-Fi. Being a large chateau and walls 6 feet thick makes it hard for the Wi-Fi. Well, this is the main router. Then it goes from there to one of these on each floor. Internet is very important these days. You can't get your websites, you can't order your food, you can't do anything. My daughter in Japan has done the workaway. We thought, why should she have all the fun? Just because we're older doesn't mean we can't give it a try, and we saw this chateau in the southwest of France and thought it's a good opportunity to live and work in a chateau. Like, you don't get that in Australia. The food, the guests, the environment, it's really in a very original atmosphere.
Yeah.
No Starbucks here.
Yeah.
So that Wi-Fi will talk to that Wi-Fi. The other one, connected by the cable, it's fibre optic, as good as you can get. Better than probably in Metro Melbourne, yeah.